everyone, Merry Fitmas and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. This is going to be my winter morning routine. This is how I'm starting my days. This particular day I was off from work, so I did have more time to get some things done. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I'm uploading 12 videos in the month of December. Let's rewind back to this morning so you can see my winter morning routine. You can see my breath in my car. Oh yeah, let's go to the store. So you know I love a car haul. Got some cheese for mac and cheese for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Some dinner rolls as well for Thanksgiving. They're rice noodles. It's for a recipe I'm going to be trying. We got some seaweed snacks, some baby corn. This is going to go with this recipe. I got 2 cans of chicken gravy. Guys, this stuff is so good in so many things. So I got a roasted garlic. This will be our first time trying this one, but we just had the chicken base, which we love, 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 love. Last thing I got was some lactose-free vanilla ice cream.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing.
We're back from Aldi and we're doing a grocery haul. I have a pizza. I had this one a couple days ago. It's really good. We got a tablecloth set for Christmas. Comes with napkins as well. Flour, sparkling frost black raspberry drinks. We really like these. They're only 5 calories and they have no sugar. My sister actually got some of these kombuchas. These are her favorite, especially the ginger awakening. This is really good for digestion. Petite potatoes to try. Some plastic wrap. Some mini cucumbers. Kielbasa, which we have been loving for breakfast. Chicken breasts, 50% off, so we're gonna throw this in the freezer. My sister got these acai bowls. They're like kind of ready to go. You just have to like thaw them. I don't know where the other one is, but I did get 2 mangoes. They were on sale. Raspberry, blackberries, lemons, Campari tomatoes. They're just like the perfect size. I got some provolone cheese. We've been really liking sandwiches lately. Chicken broth. This is going to be probably used for Thanksgiving. So I've been loving a turmeric smoothie mix, but I wanted to try the ginger one. I thought this would be good for immunity. So it has mango, pineapple, banana, and ginger puree. This is a wrapping paper that my sister got. We liked it because it had little colored Santas on there. Black Santas, look, little Mrs. Claus. Cinnamon, because we use cinnamon by the pound, pretty much. And we got a mini whisk, we really needed one. Chicken, this is the other one that we got for 50% off that I'm gonna throw in the freezer. That is it for our Aldi grocery haul. That delicious breakfast. I know it didn't look like a lot of food, but like I'm feeling perfectly full and satiated. I will say I'm not the best at getting in post-workout protein. It's something I've been struggling with lately, and breakfast was delicious. I feel so satiated, and I still have some smoothie to sip on. It's 11:19, so I'm gonna hop in the shower and get ready for the day. For my shower, I forgot I need to set 2 shorts to post on my channel, so I'm gonna get that done and set those to post, and then we'll hop in the shower. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I'm so glad to have you here. Once again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. 12 new videos this month. I'm already stressed thinking about it, but subscribe so you don't miss any of them. It's going to be a mixture of reels and videos.